Hey guys, what's up? So it's been a while since I've done an unboxing video, but I received this package that has some very interesting things in it, so I figured we'd go ahead and unbox it. So I'm not even gonna keep talking, I'm just gonna go ahead and open it, because the things that are in it are kind of cool, kind of awesome. Well, I guess they're not kinda, they are awesome, and they are cool. Let's see if I can, there we go. So, it's not very often that you come across a lot of AmTran or early, like late AmTran, early IC merchandise. So, let's go ahead and, well, you can see if I can get this out without damaging it. Let's see. Oh, okay. Come on. Okay, so this is the first thing, and this is really cool. Like, when I saw this, I knew I had to get my hands on it. So this is like an AmTran 3800 foldable paper, I guess you'd call this paper model. This is the closest thing we have to an AmTran 3800 model. So this has the newer style AmTran body. There's the front of it. You can obviously tell it's a 3800. Here's the driver's side, and you got the stop sign here, which is kind of odd since it should be here. The side here kind of looks like an older Ward body, but you can tell by the roof cap and the windshield that this is the newer style AmTran body. So that's kind of pushed in, and then there's your AmTran decal for the back bumper. And then underneath, it does say AmTran 751 South Harkrider, Conway, Arkansas, 72032, 1-800-892-7761. So, really cool piece. I don't know if there was just this version. I don't know if there was ever a version of like the Genesis or the FE, RE. I don't know. When I saw this, I knew I had to get it. So, very cool. If you guys would like to see a video of this, like as a comparison with like the first gen, second gen, and third gen model, let me know. Since this could kind of be like your, not that it was an official generation of the CE, but you would have basically 4 generations of the same bus throughout the years. So, very cool. Moving on to the next 2 items. They are in a box here. Let's see. Oh, whoops. Something fell out here. What is this? Oh. Okay. There's a little clip here. It says, "We care, AmTran." I think that's an extra because that was not a part of my order. So then this little pouch has an ornament in it. And this was something that I was really a big fan of. I guess we gotta loosen this up a little bit. Let's see. Not sure how to get that. Okay. So it's an IC badge ornament. On the back it says "Happy Holidays from IC Corporation 2002." So that's really cool. Not very often you see IC ornaments of any kind. So we'll put that right there. Oh, and that actually that's engraved. That's cool. Now this one I'm really excited about because this one was really cool. If I can get it to come out. So another ornament. Well, stuck under the box here. Another ornament. So it says "Happy Holidays, American Transportation Corporation, Conway Bus Plant." And then on this side you've got 2001, so you've got a first gen CE, first gen FE, and a first gen RE. And with this being 2001, it would have been 2002 model year buses, much like 40. So that is really cool. And just the fact that there's an ornament that has all 3 of the buses on it is just awesome. So here's you a close-up of the buses. There's the RE on the end, the FE in the middle. It looks like the FE is low headroom and the RE is high headroom. And then looks like, yeah, the CE is also high headroom. But really cool, because you just don't see a lot of branded merchandise from this era really at all. So I was really happy to get this, because this, I mean, it's got all 3 buses, and it's got 2 types of bus I've owned. So that's just an awesome little ornament. So that's pretty much it for this video. Just 3 really cool AmTran IC promotional items, which you just don't see a lot of stuff from this era of AmTran into IC. I don't know if these ornaments were like an exclusive thing for the workers at the plant. With this saying the Conway bus plant, that kind of makes me feel like maybe that was an employee thing. This from IC Corporation, that could have just been, you know, something you could have purchased. I don't know, or maybe it was handed out to dealers. Don't know. And this, I really don't know. Like, I would assume that the dealers probably gave them out, but you know, I don't know for sure, because I wasn't there. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. Let me know what you think, and yeah.